Oh shit, it's a red light jump! It's a red light jump! Oh my god! I'm gonna get all upset about it. Ooh. Whoa, whoa! There's a bike in the road. Fucking guy is pissing me off now. Get this fucking sun moon kind of out of my way. Where you going? All that revy shit. You're going nowhere. When are you gonna ride my bike?
When I'm legally allowed to.
Oh.
And the law permits me to do so. I knew that.
They ordered our chairs. I can't believe it. Would you believe that? It took them 1 week. Oh my god!
Oh, please stop with the loud noise, babe. Sorry. I'm not trying to be grumpy. I just think.
Get that bird! Get them birds! Get them there birds! No problem, pal. Thank you.
They hail the king of kings.